Christine, here at Bywilla, I'm
travelling
just about to
overseas, and
leave
I
for
wanted
the
to take
airport,
you
so I
through
thought
my
I'd take you
taxi
through
wardrobe.
what I'm wearing on the
Bywilla
plane.
pieces that have got
I
me
have a
through the 10
uniform
days
and
of
it works, and I
being away.
hope it gives you some inspo. A
Bywilla
really
is that we're
fabulously
travelling
comfy
overseas, and I
pant,
wanted to
always.
take you through
These
my
are our Like a
taxi
Dream
wardrobe.
joggers coming back in
Bywilla
stock in
pieces that have
April.
got me through
They
the
look
10
like a
days
coated
of being
pant.
away.
They feel like a tracksuit pant. They're the ultimate travel pant. Or, running a straight leg, the Dazzler jean does the same. Still super, super comfortable, really soft at the waist, straight leg. So you feel a bit dressed, but still really comfortable. A really pretty knit. You want to have that little bit of femininity to make you feel good. I've got the Heaven Sent knit here. Soft, comfortable, super stretchy, and has that lightweight layer. You cannot get on the plane without a fabulous wrap. This is our new Traveller wrap. So big and beautiful, but really super lightweight and soft. Use it as a little blanket, wrap yourself up as a scarf, or use it as a beautiful shawl. It makes you feel good because it's so soft and cozy. I always like to take a fresh top and jacket to wear at the other end. Basic little t-shirt like the Effortless. It's black, it's easy, it's comfortable, it doesn't look creased. Organic cotton elastane. Every travel wardrobe needs a denim jacket to throw on. Doesn't crease in the suitcase, goes with everything, really easy. I hope that gives you some ideas when you travel next.